Good morning, good morning. Yeah, my hair is at a point right now where I don't want to cut it, but I don't know how to style it because it's growing out, so I don't know what to do. Which is why, I mean, I don't even have like styling tools or anything heat, you know, that I can style it with styling tools. A bunch of hair growth from postpartum, I guess. So we're just gonna slippity-doo-dah a headband on and call it a day, okay? Because we're gonna put makeup on. This video has nothing to it. I just wanted to record and film and put makeup on and sip my coffee. And oh my god, if you could see this setup right now. Oh Jesus, it's a mess. It's a mess. So we're gonna get started. I already put my brows on and I'm gonna hit my lips. I'm gonna hit my lips with some Vaseline. I show this in my IG. It's a Vaseline stick. This, I don't know, revolutionary. So much better than putting it in the jar and dipping in and out and dipping in and out. I think the stick is so much more better, so much better. And we're gonna go in with some SPF. Well, actually, I'm trying to think, because am I gonna take this makeup off after I film this? If I do, then there's no point in putting on SPF now. You take it off. Oh, okay, no, I won't put it on right now. Well, maybe I should. Oh my god. Okay, 2 fingers worth. I absolutely adore this sunscreen so much. I mean, look at that. I had mentioned it before, but I got this during her Labor Day weekend sale last year or the year before, 2019, and it was a buy 2 get 1 free. So this is one of the bottles that I bought from that sale, the second to the last one. But I do love it, and she does have Afterpay, so you know, Afterpay cures all sorrows. I'm just gonna hit my face. Why am I saying that? Why am I saying that? I'm not hitting anything, nor do I want to hit anyone. It's gorgeous. Look at that. I might not even put any face, nothing on, except one thing. I picked up 2 Milani blushes from the drugstore the other night. My mom and I had to run to the drugstore at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning to pick up some antibiotics for my sister. And, you know, retail makeup therapy, I guess, ran to the makeup section and saw that they had these. I think they have, I don't know how many shades in total they have in this line, but they had about 4 shades, 3 or 4 shades there at the store. I only picked up 2, and then I watched one of my favorite YouTubers recommend and say that she loves these, so now I'm gonna go back and buy the other 2. They're like $9. I picked up the shades 110 Nude Kiss and 120 Coral Crush. I've already used this one in another video that I'm going to post later on, but I might just do it today because I love the look that I did in that video so much. So I might do it today. And it's really simple, and it's fast and it's easy. I don't know if I'm going to put like concealer on. Should I put concealer on? I don't know. My coffee. I think it's like 6:30 in the morning. I just wanted to film. I'm hoping to get this up today. Today's Wednesday. I want to get this up today. I picked these 2 up. I also picked up a Maybelline Tattoo Studio Liner in 911 Smooth Walnut. So it's the brown. It's like an espresso brown. And then I also picked up a lipstick from LA Girl. It's in the color Nudie. It's very cute. This is the lightest color in their this lipstick line. Oh, and then I picked up something else. Oh, I picked up 2 L'Oreal mascaras. Actually, I picked up a primer. I've never tried this primer before. I've heard pretty good things about it. I honestly didn't need this because the mascara that I do love works well on its own, but it was on sale for like $6. So I picked this one up, and I also picked up a voluminous Hydrofuge mascara in black brown. Okay, I'm not usually a black brown mascara type of girl, but I did try this in that same video I was talking about. I used a blush in, and it's a lot more flattering. I don't know, it doesn't look as harsh and black, so we're gonna use that today too. I'll just pretty much use everything I got that night. So aside from like a few complexion things, which I am gonna go in with right now, I'm gonna use the Good Apple foundation from Kat Von D, or KVD, I don't know what you call them nowadays. I'm just gonna go in. Oh my god, there's so much I need for this space. It's crazy. I just don't have exactly everything that I need. I'm balancing one leg of this tripod thing for my light on my camera, on my mic, and I hope that's not muffling the sound. If it is, I'm sorry. How have you guys been? I feel like I've been kind of out. I've been out. Since I posted my last video, which was last week, Saturday or on Saturday. Yeah, it was a Saturday vlog. I can't share the news yet. And the video that I wanted to post using some of the stuff that I got from the drugstore, the makeup stuff, I can't post just yet. So we're just gonna get through the video and we're gonna put makeup on and we're just gonna be here and live life and praise God, period. Morphe M173. I don't know what this brush is. It's a Packer concealer brush, I guess. I'm picking up that foundation with it. I'm gonna go under my eyes. This is how I've been using this foundation. I'm not even really using it as foundation. I'm using it as concealer. Just because something is marketed as something doesn't mean that you can't explore and try to figure out different ways of using it. Like using a lip pencil for eyeliner, using an eyeshadow for blush, or if you can, if it's eye safe, you know, you gotta check. But for the most part, yeah, you can. And we will see if what I layer on top of the sunscreen works well on top of it. So far, so good. Yeah, so if I've been seeming a little bit like checked out, it's because I have been kind of checked out. Even on stories, I haven't been on stories as much because of the news, and also just because my husband and I have been in a funk. I found you. This is just like the prettiest natural coverage type of foundation. If you use it sparingly, not full face kind of thing. But if you use it more as like a spot conceal, oh, it's beautiful. Right here, and just kind of conceal that redness. Basically what I'm using this for is concealing. Because it's so full coverage and you don't need a lot. Next, we're gonna go in with powder. Love it. That's it for powder. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the blush. And the blush that I'm gonna use is the Nude Kiss 110. These blushes are called Cheek Kiss, and they really are pretty great. They're really creamy, and they blend really nicely. And they're not wet, you know, because it is a cream blush, but it's not overly wet. It just, I don't know, it just sinks into the skin really nice. Really, really nice. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful shade. And I'm just gonna go directly with my finger and go in, honey, go in. Go in, go in, go in. Do that. And now blush placement. I will go, I don't do the smile thing. Once you relax the face, it'll droop down. So I will place my blush. God, it's so hard for me to see because this leg is right here. Up here. Yep. So it lifts. Look at that. Oh, girl. Once I've blended out the majority of it on my cheek, down towards the front. Just slightly, not too much. And I'm actually gonna go on with the KVD brush that I got with the foundation and blend out the edges. You can't tell me that that's not nice. You just can't, okay? Once I get everything done with the eyes, oh man, it's gonna be gorge. And I mean, you can actually wrap it around here because I am gonna put it on my eyelids too. Watch what I do with that. That's gonna be pretty. So don't be intimidated by these bright colors. I really want to use, I should have used this one actually. Maybe I'll use this on the eyelids, but don't be intimidated by these bright blush colors. Okay, look at that. Flush, cute, and pretty. I take that back. I'm not gonna use this on the eyelids because I'm doing a monochromatic. That's what I'm doing. Monochromatic. Same blush, and we're gonna wipe that right on my eyelids, okay? Just like so. And then blend it out, blend it down, connect it to the cheek. That's fine. The point is we're being messy today, okay? Like, if there's anything we can be messy in, it's this makeup look. Because that's the point. I want it to be effortless, no, you know, precision or sharp lines needed. So at first it's gonna be more of a stain on the eyelids, just like on the cheek. You can add more to the cheek, but I don't know. I think I'll be okay with just this one layer. I think in the other video, I went in with 2 layers of the blush on my eyelids, and then I go over top of that with a powder blush. This is an old one, Glow Face Palette. And I went over top of it with this shade right there. Oh yeah, it's a little brighter than the cream blush, but I think that brings it out all the more. One more time with that cream blush on the eyelids. And I'm going to dip into the blush from the Becca palette with the Morphe M441. And I'm just going to layer it right on. Just like that. See? Pretty, huh? And then wipe some of that excess off and then blend the edges around. Can bring it down. Okay. And that's it. If you wanted to clean up a little bit down here, which I don't really feel like I have to, but if you wanted to, just go back in with your powder foundation or powder and then, you know, clean up. If you kind of went a little bit too far with the blush, I don't think I did. If you wanted to go even further with it, you can go with the same blush that you used on the lid, the powder blush, go on your cheek. So, just a little bit. With the same brush that I used to go on the cheeks with that powder blush, I'm just gonna dip into the bronzer. I'm gonna dip between the butter bronzer, what is this, the Mudu Mudu one? Deep bronzer, Mudu Mudu, yeah. Physician Formula, and also this one by MAC. This is blunt. I don't mind that it has some of the powder blush on it because it'll help blend it together, you know what I'm saying? On the forehead. Bronzer on the forehead. Thank you, bronzer. Now, for the last step, curl the lashes. And then I'll be right back with primer and the mascara that we're going to use. I was going to use this liner. Oh, maybe I can. Just like with a touch of this dark brown liner from Milani, I'm going to go on the waterline. Just ever so slightly. And then take a little smudge brush. Does this have anything on it? Yeah. Oh, it's like a background towel. And then like a little smudge brush and just smudge out the edges of that liner. Because again, I don't want anything too sharp or precise. It's just kind of messy, you know, messy. Even if you go like over your finger just to soften the edges, that's fine too. All that. Oh, the slightest difference, but still a difference, okay? So I'll be back with curling my lashes and then we'll put mascara on. And then the lips, which I will show you in a second. Take very subtle, and you probably can't even see my lashes from there, but they're there. So I went in with the primer and I also went in with the black brown waterproof mascara. I don't know, can you even tell the difference from there? But I'm gonna go in with my favorite, the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm gonna layer this on the top too, but I'm gonna go on the bottom first so that it gives time for the top lashes to dry. Influencer, what is her name? Alex, I think. She was the one that raves about this one. And I love her style of makeup, so I picked it up and I have loved it ever since. Need to hurry because my baby's probably gonna wake up soon. Just kind of use this to push them up. I'm just pretty much gonna use this to push them up because that black brown mascara isn't waterproof. And if a mascara isn't waterproof, then my lashes will fall straight back down. But the thing is, I'm trying to preserve my eyelashes. And as you well know, waterproof mascara is a pain to take off. Even with a double cleanse and all the stuff, it will take, you know, if it's really waterproof mascara, it's gonna be hard. So I've been trying to stray away from using waterproof mascara because of that. But then my lashes just go like that. So, we'll see. I think they look pretty good from here. They look pretty up, if you know what I'm saying. I'm trying to hurry up before my baby wakes up. Guys, this hair is just like, ugh. It's at that point where it's not long, but it's not short. It's like in between, and I don't know what to do. You know what? I'm gonna kick it up a notch and put like a little highlight in the inner corner. And I'm just gonna use that same highlighting palette that I used for the blush on my lid, and I'm gonna go in with this gold shade. This is limited edition, so just pick up any gold shimmery color. Oh, maybe I should have gone in with this lighter pink one. How about both? Sure. I don't even know how pigmented these are. They're not that. Enough. I don't want like a blinding type of thing. I just want enough to put like in the there. Yeah, that's good. And then use that same brush to blend out those edges and pull it up. Because I love that. You guys know that I love that effect. That like, I don't know what you call it. I call it a shooting star effect. You know what I'm saying? Pull it and then go in one more time, just right there in the inner corner. Bam. Then whatever's left, I'll go right underneath the brow. I'm not picking up anymore, I'm just using whatever's left. And then maybe a little bit on the cheeky area. Okay, and then that's pretty much it for the face. And then the last step is the lips. Girl, that's all we're gonna do. I'll put a little bit of the highlight on my Cupid's bow. Let me use like a highlighting brush for that. Just take your blush, the same blush you used, and pop it right on the lips. That's it. That's the look. Let me see. Period. Monochromatics, you know, you either love it or you hate it, but I myself don't mind stepping out of my comfort zone with some monochromatic moments, you know. This is it. This is the look. If it's a little bit too kind for you, if it's a little bit too shiny, just go in with your powder and settle down like some of the places, like under the eye maybe, or don't add a highlighter as much as I did. But I don't mind it, and we're going into the summer, so that's kind of like the goal, right? Everybody's just trying to get glowy, so I really don't mind it. But if it's too much for you, then just add powder where you need to and call it a day, honey. Call it a day. Gorge. I would totally zoom you guys out, but if I do, that's what you're gonna see, and I don't think you guys want to see that, so I'm gonna zoom you back in. There you go. All right, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me monochromatic look. I'll list everything in the description, and I will also link them on my IG. Maybe I'll post a selfie, or maybe not, I don't know. But thanks for catching up with me. Thanks for being here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so that you're notified every time that I upload. And I'll do my best to get this up as soon as I can today. But I'm just glad I got to put some makeup on. I feel like a little bit of myself again when I do this. It's like therapy for me, you know. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Here we go.